Totally 20 paintings, including GLAC Art Students paintings, are ready now to travel to the exhibition. Yes, looking forward to the exhibition. Thank you. I think we are now done putting up the pictures of GLAC Art Students. So we have Vishwajit's elephant here, Valor from Gopriya here, Nikeshan's moonlight. I don't know how to pronounce this, but we can ask GLAC. This is Obicho Uchicha from Naruto. And Tanya's Free Nature is here. Anna Simonson's Reality versus Cartoon. We have Lara's Roses for Mom. Philippa's Mountains, Beautiful Mountains. There is again a nature painting by Eldamar. We come here to Harini Priya's Lord Krishna, Baby Krishna. Hans, Sneaky Bird, and definitely we looked at the four horses, the 5 horses. That's it. Good morning everyone, welcome to the GLAC Studio's oil painting exhibition. So just opened up the exhibition, we're still awaiting visitors to join in. The opening ceremony is at 2 p.m. So we'll have more guests coming at that time. I'm just taking you through a quick view of how this is looking right now. The weather is so good, bright sun, it's so beautiful. I think it's the right time for this kind of event. So there are paintings out here, you can see, and there's some more photography as well. So there's so much going on. There's also another floor up there, first floor, where there is some more artwork of artists. So that's how it's looking right now. See you here in 2 hours. Bye-bye. Værktøj til at udvikle positiv social effekt. Også i personligt liv, også i kubniveauskaber. Så jeg har arbejdet på oliemalerier, og jeg har også samarbejdet med andre unge her. Det har lært mig meget, så du kan også se alle deres kunstværker her i vores unge kunstkategori. Og min kunst også står her, deroppe, så ja, det er det, synes jeg. Ja, det var en yes. Så vi har Blaze Duran, Lars.
Martin, du må også gerne fortælle, hvor de kommer fra.
Okay, yes. Blaze. sudah. Yes. Sema. Okay, yes. Also we have Gomathi or Gomathi or Harani Priya. They're more eager. So they also play one of the funny later when we also have that. Let's see. Welcome back to the GLAC Studio. Oh, sorry, this is KunstPunkt. We are at KunstPunkt Augustenborg, and this exhibition is still being going on. We've had very interesting feedback, so based on the feedback, we've also done a little bit of improvement here to put up a small note in Danish language for people to understand a little more about Indian culture, the goddesses, and why do they have so many arms, and why are they seated on a lotus flower and such. All these things might seem basic to some of us, but not necessarily to the others. So we have managed to do that, and we also have this very nice collection of paintings by the GLAC Studio students. That's also getting a nice welcome and warm positive feedback from the people around here. So it's been very fortunate, we should say, to be presenting our artwork together here. Thank you very much. Bye.